पड़ता है, ट्रैफिक जैम्स में फंसना पड़ता है। लेकिन अगर ये आपकी सबसे बड़ी परेशानी अब तक रही है तो आपके सफर को इजी बनाने के लिए ना एक बड़ी अच्छी चीज इंदौर में होने जा रही है, दैट इज बाइक फॉर एवरीथिंग। कैसे किस तरह से शुरू होगी, क्या क्या होगी इसकी स्पेशलिटी, इन सब के बारे में बात करेंगे उनसे जो इसके को फाउंडर है। आज हमारे साथ है यहाँ पर। तो भाई सबसे पहले हमारे आज के गेस्ट का इंट्रोडक्शन उन्हीं की जुबानी।
Hi Indor, this is Nilesh Jain. I'm representing Bike for Everything here, and today we are going to discuss a lot about Bike for Everything on Sunday Superstar. So stay tuned with us.
So नीलेश जी, बाइक फॉर एवरीथिंग के बारे में कई सारी बातें होंगी, लेकिन सबसे पहले समथिंग अबाउट योरसेल्फ प्लीज हमें बताइए।
Yes, I am basically born and brought up in Indore. I did my education from Indore.
Okay.
And then I created my whole career here out in Indore itself. So
Okay.
I started my career with telecom background. And then we have done a lot of other things. We are into real estate also now. So this concept I am not doing alone. Basically, it's a venture we 2 or 3 friends have started.
Okay.
So I am one of the co-founder in this venture.
Alright, so basically इसका मतलब ये समझें कि आप शुरू से ही अपने करियर के लोगों की लाइफ को आसान बनाते रहे हैं, राइट? टेलीकॉम, रियल एस्टेट दोनों ऐसी चीजें हैं जो लोगों की लाइफ में बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट हो गई हैं आज के टाइम पर।
Correct. So this time we wanted to cater little youth audience. So we thought of doing something for the youths. This concept is basically to facilitate youth for their daily needs in terms of because that's their favorite ride also. They
course.
generally love riding the bike.
And
So we
easy on
thought
the pocket also, I
correct,
think.
correct. It's very easy on the pocket, and the idea is just to socialize through this particular application.
Okay.
Where people can share rides also in future.
So with bike for everything आपका ट्रैवल टाइम कम होगा, आपकी कन्वीनियंस लेवल जो है वो बढ़ेगी लाइफ में। लेकिन अभी यहाँ पर नीलेश आप हैं तो ये बताइए कि स्ट्रेस लेवल को कैसे आप कंट्रोल में रखते हैं? आई एम श्योर आपके पास बहुत सारा काम रहता है।
What basically interests me is the work. If I really feel that there is a lot of work to do, then I am completely relaxed.
एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर एक्टिविटीज की अगर बात करें तो उसमें भी आप काम ही करते हैं।
Yes.
So Mr. Workaholic is here with me today, Mr. Nilesh Jain, जो कि है co-founder of Bike for Everything। तो इनसे काफी सारी बातें होने वाली हैं। Stay tuned, do not go anywhere। मैं हूँ श्रेया आपके साथ, Red FM बजाते रहो।
मंच बड़ा हो, उद्देश्य बड़ा हो।
Jain is here with me, who is one of the co-founders of Bike for Everything. And Nilesh ji, I've heard a lot of good things about Bike for Everything. सिंहास में जब ये बाइक्स रन हुई तो काफी सारे पॉजिटिव फीडबैक्स जो हैं वो लोगों ने आई एम श्योर आपके साथ शेयर किए होंगे, काफी माउथ पब्लिसिटी आपको मिली। लेकिन टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस होल आइडिया कैसे जनरेट हुआ, कब से आपने इसके ऊपर वर्किंग चालू की, थोड़ा इसके बारे में कुछ बताइए हमें।
It has all started maybe 3 months back when one of my friend actually visited us from US, and then we were all 3 friends was sitting, and then we were discussing to do something together. So we wanted to do something good in terms of facilitating the youth. We were actually remembering our old time, and that time all this has started coming up, and then we discussed, and then obviously we worked hard to make it a reality in that fast period.
Alright. तो अगर अभी की बात करें तो how many bikes are there with you, and किस तरह का जो फीडबैक आपका रहा है अभी तक का रहा है जिन लोगों ने सुना इसके बारे में?
So people are really excited to know the idea because it's a unique idea, and then it's not only about only taxi services. It's as the name suggests, it is bike for everything. So we're trying to cater a lot of services which basically people are missing out in terms of their daily routine, which there are a lot of needs. This should facilitate people in this manner, and then obviously we had a pilot run in Siesta, and then we tried serving people for a divine purpose, and it was fantastic experience. People were quite happy. We got a lot of blessings from
Of
elders
course,
and
I'm
all.
sure.
So that's how it was a fantabulous experience.
Alright, and
Currently we have 50 bikes, and we have used Bajaj City 100 as one of the model, and then obviously since it was a concept which has come out of our mind, so we customized all those bikes based on, we have given them a theme, and then obviously they're fantastically looking now, so they can be differentiated in the market, and then obviously we have a complete dress code for our bikers, so they will be completely different looking. So we tried giving it a complete professional biker experience.
Okay, and talking about the constraint that ladies have while traveling with a stranger is kind of weird, and because this is a two-wheeler, so any ideas about that you guys are planning on?
Correct. So specifically before coming to ladies, what we did is our bikers are we have done the complete background check for them.
Okay.
And when it comes to ladies, it's really important to take extra precaution.
Of course.
So what we did is we tried, or rather we hired female bikers also.
Great.
So they'll be more comfortable females driving with females. So definitely it'll make sense for them also.
And you can talk actually about shopping एंड बाइंग स्टफ, मेटिक्स जो है, इन सब चीजों के बारे में भी आप बात कर सकते हैं.
Yes.
ये प्लस पॉइंट है.
Yes, so I don't know, maybe that way it can help us in business also because you'll have more longer drives. If people start talking, they can go for a long drive.
Of course. लेकिन when can Indore use bike for everything? इन सारी चीजों के बारे में कुछ ही देर में बात करेंगे नीलेश के साथ. Stay tuned to Red FM Superstar, बजाते रहो. आने वाले तो यार बहुत ज्यादा जाम का हिस्सा बन जाते हैं. And नीलेश, I'm sure आप भी 4-wheeler ड्राइव करते होंगे.
Yes, correct.
ट्रैफिक में कितना फंसते हो आप?
Yes, obviously the main advantage of this particular concept is like, you really can reach any place very fast.
Okay.
Because, you can avoid all sort of traffic congestion.
नीलेश, ये बताइए कि कब से हम यूज कर पाएंगे इंदौर में सर्विस को?
See, we are all set, as said also, earlier I said that, we did a pilot in Siesta. So, we are all set, but as you say, you can understand that, we really want to abide by all the, statutory norms. So, we're all there and maybe anytime we can start. So, I can't exactly tell the date, but very soon Indore will have this.
So sometime in June maybe?
Correct, maybe by the end of the June or something like that.
Okay, and in case if you move to July, my birthday is in July, तो मेरे birthday के दिन launch करना. लेकिन talking about the service, bike और everything, इसको हम किस तरह से book कर पाएंगे and कैसे हम ride ले पाएंगे?
See, this is where it is really important because when you are running such a business or maybe such an operation, then your accountability is very, very important. To account it properly, we tried doing all our operations through a mobile application. So this is a completely mobile application driven business.
Great.
Wherein people, if anyone wants to avail or maybe want to book a ride, then he has to download an application which is already there on Play Store.
Okay.
And then also when it's already there, people can go download mobile application and you have to download, install, and then they're all set to go. So obviously the only thing they need to do is they have to basically set the pickup and drop location, and then the booking will go to the nearby biker to their pickup location, then a biker will definitely get in touch with them immediately through the mobile application, and then obviously the whole thing will be working that way.
Activate होने में, इसके शुरू होने में थोड़ा सा टाइम बाकी है. तब तक के लिए ऐप डाउनलोड करके उसी से काम चला लो. रेड एफएम पे बजाते रहो. कुछ देर में जाने का टाइम हो जाएगा, लेकिन आज यहाँ पर हमारे साथ है मिस्टर नीलेश जैन, हु इज वन ऑफ द को-फाउंडर्स ऑफ बाइक फॉर एवरीथिंग. एंड बिकॉज नीलेश यू आर हियर, मैं ये जानना चाहूंगी कि आपकी जो इंडस्ट्री है, सर्विस इंडस्ट्री है, राइट? तो ऐसे में आपकी कंपटीशन में भी कई सारे लोग हैं, तो क्या आपने भी अपने कंपटीशन को देखते हुए काफी सारी तैयारियां की हैं?
Basically, anything you do and if you don't have competition, you don't like it. Especially we don't like it. We love competition. So obviously we did the competitive analysis of all our competitors, and then definitely based on that analysis only, we designed our product. So obviously, see, if you talk about our competition, obviously the big players are there, but you can see the biggest differentiator is their domain is completely little different in terms. They are targeting 4-wheeler market, and we that's the major differentiator. We tried with 2-wheeler thing, which is very, very agile. People can use. Second is see, this concept is not only that we have our own bikes. It's I forgot to mention earlier, but it is it's an aggregation model also. But a lot of people, they have their own bikes. They can also get registered with us, and then they can get a business wherein maybe students who are from outside and then they're residing in Indore, but they're free on Sunday, so they don't have anything to do. So every student has a bike, so he can latch in to our application as a driver, and he's available. So it can open a avenue of earning for them. Maybe if they're earning their pocket money once in a blue moon, if they want to really have it. Second differentiator is we are really working close to the people by giving a lot of differential services. Trying to going close to them by offering maybe emergency services, wherein we'll be having an emergency number which people can call and can have an emergency call up, or bikers will reach in case of medical emergencies they can use. So that's how then we are trying to address senior citizens requirements. So 65 plus people will be not charging them. They'll always have free rides from us. So that's how these are the kind of things which are doing to create differentiators and trying to be a part of people rather than business.
So जाते जाते आप इंदौर को कुछ कहना चाहोगे lastly?
The only thing is see, we love giving something good to Indore and since we are Indorians, so we thought of starting this from Indore. We'll set a benchmark for Indore, and definitely, I'm sure, more than sure, that people would love this and will collaboratively make it a huge success.
Okay, great. So if you guys have a smartphone, you can just go to the Play Store right now. जाके सर्च करिए बाइक फॉर एवरीथिंग एंड आप उसके बाद इसे आपको बिल्कुल देख सकते हैं और समझ सकते हैं किस तरह से आप काम करती है. लेकिन राइट नाउ facebook.com पर अगर लॉग इन करके बैठे तो डू लाइक माई पेज RJ Shreya Red FM या फिर एड्रेस बार पे लिखो facebook.com/RJ Shreya Red FM. अभी के लिए stay tuned to 93.5 Red FM. It was lovely talking to Mr. Nilesh Jain, who is the co-founder of Bike for Everything. अब अगले हफ्ते दोबारा से किसी और सुपरस्टार को लेकर आऊंगी. तब तक के लिए अपना ध्यान रखिए और हाँ जी, कल 2 से 5 अड्डा जमाना है आपको मेरे साथ ऑन रेड FM बजाते रहो.